Welcome to Crazy Cooking. This is Julius Childs and my trusty sidekick, Rachel Rabbit. Whew, tough crowd. Today we're going to make Anzac biscuits. Anzac biscuits were originally made for the World War I Australian soldiers called Anzac. To make the biscuits, all you'll simply need is a set of spoons, a set of cups, 1 cup of regular oats, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cracked brown sugar, half a cup of shredded sweetened coconut, half a tablespoon of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of water, 1/4 cup or half a stick of butter, and 2 tablespoons of golden syrup or light corn syrup. For the things you'll need to cook in, you'll need a big mixing bowl, olive oil, a pan, a pot, and a cooling rack, and 1 wooden spoon. To start up, you need to preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Measured out the first ingredients. First, we'll need to pour the coconuts, the brown sugar, the oats, the flour, and the half a teaspoon of baking soda. Good. Next, take your wooden spoon and mix it all together. Now that all the dry ingredients have been mixed together, it is time to melt the margarine, get the water and the syrup, and stir it all together. First of all, you'll need to go over here and turn this onto about 5 or about halfway. Then wait for the butter to melt. You can also use a utensil like a fork to help it melt. It'll take a couple minutes. The next step is to mix in the 3 tablespoons of water. After that, you'll need to add your 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup. Then add the butter. Simply mix these together. Stir very thoroughly until it starts to be more solid and less dry. This is what it should look like when you are done stirring everything. There should should be enough in this batch for two whole things full. Now, put all your ingredients off to the side. Now take these and roll them up into tiny little balls. Just like this. The final step is to take them and put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. You need it to be heated on 325 degrees. Once they're done cooking, take them out of the oven and put them on the cooling rack to cool for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then we can put the next batch in. Now, all that's left is to dig in. Good.